Hi everyone, it's Rachel up in Big Bear. Today we're going to take you on a culinary adventure through the top 10 most visited restaurants in our area. So all of these are going to be highly rated by locals and tourists alike on Google reviews. So whether you are visiting for the weekend or just looking for some great food, these spots offer a variety of experiences. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Peppercorn Grill. Located just off Big Bear Boulevard, this cozy restaurant is known for its warm, inviting atmosphere and top-notch service. Customers here rave about the friendly staff and the comfortable vibe, making it a perfect spot for a relaxing evening out. So whether you're here for a romantic dinner or a family gathering, the Peppercorn Grill consistently gets 5 stars for its excellent experience. Number 2, the Barnstorm Restaurant. For something truly unique, check out the Barnstorm Restaurant, located near the Big Bear City Airport. This aviation-themed eatery offers fantastic views of our runway, so you can watch planes take off while you enjoy your meal. Guests love the aviation decor and the lively, casual atmosphere. It is a favorite for both locals and visitors who enjoy hearty American-style dishes with a side of aviation history. Number 3, my personal favorite, the Himalayan Restaurant. If you are in the mood for something different, the Himalayan Restaurant is a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Big Bear Lake. Known for its Nepalese and Indian flavors, it's a favorite for those looking to spice up their dining experience. Guests in their reviews appreciate the peaceful, homey atmosphere and the personalized service. It's one of those spots where you can feel the love in every dish, and visitors consistently mention how welcoming and friendly the owners are. And I would agree. Number 4, the Pines Lakefront. For a scenic dining experience, you cannot beat the Pines Lakefront. Situated right on Big Bear Lake, this spot offers stunning lake views that are perfect for a sunset meal. The outdoor patio is a hit with all guests, who often comment on how peaceful and relaxing the setting is. Whether you're dining on the patio or outside, you'll get a front row seat to some of the best views in town. Perfect for a special night out or a casual lakeside meal with friends. Number 5, Kacina de Mexico. Craving authentic Mexican food, Kacina de Mexico brings the flavors of Mexico to Big Bear with its vibrant atmosphere and delicious offering. Located in Big Bear City, this spot is perfect for a casual meal after a day of exploring. Customers love the friendly service, the flavorful dishes, and the festive vibe. It is a place that feels like home, and you'll often hear visitors mentioning how it's the perfect place for a laid-back meal with family and friends. Number 6, Village Pizza. Pizza lovers take note. Village Pizza, located in the charming Big Bear Lake Village, serves up some of the best pies known in town. It is known for its relaxed atmosphere and fast service. It's a go-to spot for a casual dinner. Tourists and locals alike appreciate the large portions and the fact that it's the perfect place to grab a slice after a long day on the slopes or out on the lake. Plus, the location makes it a great spot to people watch and soak in the village charming ambiance. Number 7, Sweet Basil Bistro. Are you looking for a romantic evening or a cozy, intimate dining experience? Sweet Basil Bistro is the place to be. Situated on Big Bear Boulevard, this restaurant offers a warm, European-inspired atmosphere that makes it a top choice for date nights or special celebrations. Reviewers love the attention to detail in both the food and the service. A welcoming and elegant vibe. It's the perfect place to enjoy a slower-paced, memorable meal. Number 8, Big Bear Lake Brewing Company. For craft beer lovers, Big Bear Lake Brewing Company is a must-see. Located in the village, this microbrewery is a hot spot for those looking to enjoy a beer and some great pub food. Guests love atmosphere, the selection of locally brewed beers, and the friendly casual vibe. It is a great place to relax after a day of activities, and the outdoor seating area is ideal for people watching or enjoying a sunny afternoon. And I, for one, Love their avocado bombs. Number 9, Teddy Bear Restaurant. The Teddy Bear Restaurant is a Big Bear classic, offering down-home American breakfast and lunch in a cozy diner style setting. Located in the center of town, it's a go-to for both locals and visitors looking for comfort food with a smile. Customers rave about the homey atmosphere, the friendly service, and how this spot feels like a warm hug in the form of breakfast. Whether you're here for pancakes, omelets, or classic diner fare, it's a favorite among those who appreciate a hearty meal in a welcoming environment. Bring cash. And number 10, Nottingham's Restaurant and Pub. Last but not least, Nottingham's Restaurant and Pub brings a touch of elegance to Big Bear with its inviting pub-style atmosphere. Located on Big Bear Boulevard and Village Drive and Pine Knot, this spot is a great choice for a casual yet classy meal. Guests rave about excellent service, the great wine selection, and the comfortable vibe that makes it feel like a home away from home. It is the perfect place for a relaxing dinner after a day of outdoor adventures, with hearty meals and a selection of craft cocktails that will make your evening unforgettable. So there you have it, the top 10 best try restaurants in Big Bear Lake, each with its own unique charm and excellent reviews from both tourists and locals. Whether you're here for romantic dinner, a family-friendly meal, or a laid-back lunch after a hike, these spots have something for everyone. Enjoy your time in Big Bear, and don't forget to leave a review to help others discover these local favorites. Again, I'm Rachael Smith with Remax and Big Bear, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!